Moving on to question 2. This question is about the reactivities of metals. The table shows the reactions of four metals P, Q, R, and S with water and with dilute hydrochloric acid. The letters are not the symbols of the elements, right? So there's this table given. So there's no reaction for P with water or neither with hydrochloric acid. So from the given table, we can see S has a slower reaction with water, whereas with hydrochloric acid, it is a faster reaction. So what we can do is, so there is also mentioned about for Q, it has a very fast reaction with water. So Q is the most reactive, while P should be the one with the least reactivity, since it does not react with water, neither with hydrochloric acid. So R will be the next least reactive since it has no reaction with water and undergoes a slower reaction with dilute hydrochloric acid. The second most reactive will be S. So that's your answer for question 2, part A1. Part A2 tells us the give the letter of the metal that could be zinc. So the answer will be R, since metals usually, since zinc does not react with water, metal zinc does not react with water and undergoes a slow reaction with dilute hydrochloric acid. Give a word equation for the reaction between aluminium and hydrochloric acid. So the word equation will be like this. So the products will be aluminium chloride and hydrogen. So question 4 tells us give the name of the metal that could be P. So P could be any of the metals since P does not undergo reactions with either of the given reactants. So it could be copper, silver, or gold. Part 5 tells us give a reason why the reaction of Q with dilute hydrochloric acid is not done. Since Q is the most reactive here, it was not done because it is explosive. So that's the answer they'll accept. Part B says the diagram shows the apparatus used to demonstrate the reaction between aluminium and iron 3 oxide. When the magnesium fuse is lit, a very exothermic reaction occurs. This is the equation for the reaction. State what is meant by the term exothermic. So, since Pearson and Edexcel mainly focuses on key terms, you can just simply say it, heat energy is given out to the surroundings. Part 2 tells us state why aluminium displaces iron, because aluminium is more reactive than iron. So this is a simple reactivity series based question. The last part says explain why this reaction is a redox reaction. See, if we move into the given equation, we can see aluminium gains oxygen, therefore it is oxidized, whereas iron loses oxygen, therefore it is getting reduced. Therefore, this is a redox reaction. We'll just write what I've just told. Aluminium gains oxygen and iron 3 oxide loses oxygen. Aluminium gets oxidized and iron 3 oxide gets reduced. So that's your answer for question number 2.